Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change the Facebook Messenger ringtone from your Android device. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to change the Facebook Messenger ringtone from your phone, let's open up our Messenger app first. And after opening a Messenger app, the interface will be similar to this, where as you can see your profile picture icon on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile picture icon like this, and on this interface you can see the notifications and sounds button available over here under the category of preferences below the avatar. Tap on notifications and sounds, and over here on the second there is the ringtone option. Tap on ringtone. Currently there is the messenger option available, but you can see all these music which you can use for a ringtone on messenger, and you can choose on your preference. Try all of these melodies out or the songs out provided by the Samsung or the messenger Facebook itself, and for me it will be messenger itself because it's quite convenient to me. And with that being said, and guys, this is how you change your Facebook messenger ringtone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.